Freddie McGregor, a cornerstone of reggae music, continues to captivate audiences with his soulful voice and timeless hits. With a career spanning over 6 decades, the Jamaican icon remains a beloved figure in 2025, despite challenges like his 2022 stroke. Fans are encouraged to stay updated on his journey by subscribing to our YouTube channel for the latest news, music releases, and exclusive content about McGregor and reggae's finest. Born on June 27, 1956, in Clarendon, Jamaica, McGregor began his career as Little Freddie at age 7, recording with the Clarendonians. His early work at Studio One, under Coxsone Dodd, laid the foundation for a prolific career. Hits like Big Ship, Just Don't Want to Be Lonely, and Bobby Babylon established him as a reggae and lovers rock pioneer. His smooth tenor and heartfelt lyrics resonate across generations, blending roots reggae with soulful melodies that define his signature sound. In 2022, McGregor faced a health setback with a stroke, but his recovery has been inspiring. Performing from a wheelchair at a Florida medical facility and delivering an emotional set at Reggae Sumfest 2023, he showcased his resilience. Fans on platforms like X have celebrated his progress, with updates noting his ongoing therapy and determination to return to the stage. His sons, Stephen D. Genius and Chino McGregor, have joined him in performances, reinforcing the Big Ship family legacy. Their collaborations, including the single Look a Girl with Beenie Man, highlight their collective influence. McGregor's recent music continues to thrive. His 2023 album A Breath of Fresh Air, extended version, and the chart-topping single I'll Be Waiting dominate reggae charts. In April 2025, a remastered Saying Goodbye hit Spotify, reigniting interest in his catalog. His signing of a publishing deal with Warner Chappell Music alongside Stephen underscores his enduring relevance. McGregor also advocates for reggae's future, urging artists to leverage Jamaica's rich music catalog to address dancehall's production deficit, as shared in recent interviews. In 2024, false rumors of McGregor's death spread online, causing alarm among fans. He swiftly debunked these claims, reassuring supporters of his well-being. This incident sparked renewed discussions about his health and legacy, with fans flooding X with messages of love. Such rumors underscore the importance of verifying information, especially for a figure as cherished as McGregor, whose contributions rival reggae giants like Bob Marley and Dennis Brown. Looking ahead, anticipation builds for a rescheduled Freddie McGregor and Friends event on August 17, 2025, as noted on X. While specific 2025 tour dates remain unconfirmed, platforms like Songkick and Ticketmaster are recommended for updates. McGregor's 6-decade career, marked by resilience, innovation, and mentorship, solidifies his status as a reggae titan. His music, family legacy, and advocacy continue to inspire, ensuring his influence endures in reggae's global landscape.